Hey, it's Charlotte from the Mac Observer, and today I want to talk to you about Apple Fitness Plus. It's a new service that is based around the Apple Watch and can be used with Apple TV, iPad and iPhone. You need the latest version of software installed, so iOS 14.3 and watchOS 7.2, for example. Once you've done that, head into the Fitness app and tap the Fitness Plus tab at the bottom. Tap Continue and you will see you get an option to try it for free. There's a month's free trial. Tap that and you get the option to start either a free trial of Fitness Plus itself or of the Apple One Premier bundle, which Fitness Plus is included in. It either costs $9.99 a month or $29.99 a month once you have to start paying. Go through the Apple Pay process. And you're all set. And you go in and there you can make some privacy changes. You can share your data or not, as you wish. And there you can see a whole host of different classes that are available and the different trainers that teach them. There's all different classes of different styles and varying lengths. And they all come accompanied with an Apple Music playlist too. As you can see, sign up is pretty simple, so there's no excuse not to close those rings. Let me know how it goes for you in the comments below. Please do subscribe to this channel and share this video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon.